Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Apple Watch 9 for fitness. First, let's get started with the basics. Your Apple Watch tracks your daily activity through 3 colorful rings: move, exercise, and stand. The move ring tracks active calories, exercise measures minutes of brisk activity, and stand counts hours you've stood for at least 1 minute. You can easily set personalized daily goals for each ring, aiming for around 300 to 500 active calories, 30 minutes of exercise, and 12 stand hours. Viewing your progress is simple, right on your watch face. Now, let's dive into tracking your workouts. The Workout app offers a wide range of exercise types, from running and cycling to yoga and strength training. Simply select your activity and tap to begin. During your workout, you can monitor real-time metrics such as your heart rate, calories burned, and distance covered. For example, a 30-minute brisk walk might burn around 150 calories. You can also customize your workout views to prioritize the data most important to you, ensuring you stay focused on your goals. Beyond basic activity, your Apple Watch 9 offers advanced health monitoring. You can take an electrocardiogram, or ECG, to check for signs of atrial fibrillation and measure your blood oxygen levels in about 15 seconds. The temperature sensing feature provides insights into your body temperature trends, useful for cycle tracking. Understanding your heart rate zones, like fat burn or cardio, helps optimize your training intensity. Plus, tracking your sleep patterns, aiming for 7 to 9 hours nightly, can significantly improve your recovery and overall well-being. Finally, let's talk about staying motivated and connected. Your Apple Watch 9 makes it easy to share your activity with friends and family, fostering friendly competition and accountability. You can earn various awards and badges for reaching milestones, like closing all 3 rings for 7 consecutive days, which provides a great sense of accomplishment. Furthermore, you can seamlessly sync your fitness data with popular third-party apps, giving you a comprehensive view of your health and fitness journey across all your platforms. Keep moving and enjoy the journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.